The Santa Cruz Mountains. A region of large biological diversity encompassing cool, moist coastal ecosystems as well as warm, dry chaparral. The Santa Cruz Mountains is home to the Coast Live Oak as well as the Coast Redwoods and the Coast Douglas Fir. It is also home to the Pacific Madrone, Pacific Wax Myrtle, and the California Bay Laurel. It is also home to De La Viega Disc Golf Course, the #2 best course in all of the western United States, famous for its soaring views and beautiful nature.
I got some everyone knows that running wild, 'cause I'm there. Yes, I'm there. Oh, I'm there. Yes, I'm there.
When arriving at De La Viega Disc Golf Course, one might find a number of species of birds, as well as black-tailed deer, a subspecies of the mule deer, and western gray squirrels. This fine little specimen is a western gray squirrel. This once wild animal is now as tame as a common pet, even when around humans.
Squirrels spend most of their time on the ground foraging for seeds and nuts, particularly pine seeds and acorns, though they will also take berries.
This little buddy is a blue-bellied lizard, also known as a western fence lizard. As you can see here, the blue-bellied lizard is basking in the sun. That's because he's an exotherm and relies on the sun to poison. Oh no! Anyway, back to our friend the blue-bellied lizard.
It is thought that the presence of western fence lizards diminishes the danger of the transmission of Lyme disease by ticks. The incidence of Lyme disease is lower in areas where the lizard occurred, and it has been found that when ticks carrying Lyme disease feed on these lizards, the bacteria that cause the disease are killed.
Yes, I'm there.
Many disc golfers appreciate the environment and its beauty, but the constant foot traffic poses some problems for the land.
Discers frequently must go off trail looking for their discs. This destroys the habitat underfoot and leaves an ugly scar on the hillsides. Though unintentional, disc golfers can also damage trees by hitting them with their discs.
What?
This looks fresh. Litter and pollution is also a problem, even in the most obscure locations.
There's one place up at De La Viega where human impact is most evident.
It's called the Shack. As you can imagine, crackheads and junkies often use this place for their next high. It also smells like feces. Humans can be destructive in other ways as well. But most seek to preserve the beauty that can be found almost everywhere at De La Viega Park.